So what's good, people? In today's video, we're outside. We're gonna do a shoot for just a small little project, a basketball court project. So we're just doing the behind the scenes. So we've got my man Steve here. I locked the car, right?
Oh,
This is my BTS person.
oh, a BTS, not even my wife.
Wife BTS person.
Blistering cold.
Can you imagine?
So for this project, we used the Lumix S5, the Blackmagic Video Assist 12G, the 5-inch version, and also the Lumix 50mm f1.8.
I actually need to do this quickly before it starts raining. I need to do this quickly before it starts raining. No. Yeah, turning around looking at the camera. Like holding the thingy like that. Hold it in the center. Yeah.
I used the variable ND filter, which was a cheap one that I bought from Amazon. I still have it. I don't like that ND filter. I think I need to get an expensive one. Originally, I wanted to use the Blackmagic Pocket cinema camera, but I just thought, let me just use my Lumix S5 since I've got the video assist, because there's no point of just having gear and letting it sit. So the idea was to just shoot a guy playing basketball. So shout out to my man Steve for coming out to shoot this project. When we got to the park, we had to ask some few kids who were playing basketball to just give us some time, so we take some clips. Some they didn't take it, but shout out to the young ones that stayed in, and they were also part of the project. One of the struggles with the Lumix S5 is trying to nail focus. At the end of the day, I'm not an autofocus guy. Some of the clips that I'm going to show you, the clips that didn't make it, but still I was still amazed and impressed with the quality that came out. Final footage was graded in Dehancer Pro. I know some people, when I posted on some forums, some people are saying the blacks are too crushed, blah 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 blah. But anyway, everyone has their own taste. So if you want me to do more videos like this where I show you the behind the scenes, please let me know in the comment section.